explain the significance of education in shaping an individual's development, and describe the educational objectives you hope to achieve in the coming years.
Education is one of the most powerful tools that shapes an individual's personality, opportunities, and long-term growth. It does far more than teach facts or theories. It develops a person's ability to think critically, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. In today's fast-changing world, having a strong educational foundation allows people to make informed decisions, communicate effectively, and participate confidently in society. Education also opens doors to better career options, which can directly improve a person's financial stability and overall quality of life. On a personal level, education helps people understand themselves and the world around them. It encourages curiosity and builds confidence by teaching individuals how to learn independently. It also promotes empathy by exposing students to different cultures, viewpoints, and experiences. These qualities are essential not only for professional success but also for becoming responsible and emotionally intelligent human beings. In my own life, education has played a significant role in shaping my ambitions. It has shown me how continuous learning can transform challenges into opportunities. Because of this, I plan to keep improving my knowledge and skills in the future. One of my goals is to pursue advanced training in digital tools and communication, as these areas are becoming increasingly important in almost every profession. I also want to focus on improving my English proficiency so I can communicate more effectively in global settings. Additionally, I hope to take short online courses related to technology, problem-solving, and creative thinking. These courses will help me stay updated and adaptable in my career. In the long run, I intend to combine practical skills with formal education so that I can grow both personally and professionally. Overall, education is not just a stage of life, it is a lifelong journey. It empowers individuals to reach their potential and contributes to the progress of the entire society. My future plans revolve around continuing this journey and constantly upgrading myself so I can achieve my goals and contribute meaningfully to the world around me.